Roblox here again, and I'm playing. I mean, yes, I'm playing M2 with my friend RV, and I'm doing a 1v1 again. And yeah, we're like in part one. I was breaking ankles, so yeah. I know no one asked, but yeah. Anyway, why I laugh like that? Anyway, I'm ready. Come here. Oh, I see him. Ready, guys? Tangled up. I'm too evil. I'm just too evil. I don't know why I laugh like that. What's a signal? I thought it was this. Anyway. Oh, murdered again. I hate murderer, but I'll do it. Okay, guys, when I'm sure if I'm gonna try and break some ankles, just to improve like my practicing and breaking ankles in like public servers. I'm trying to improve like my aim to just to turn into a pro, you know? Oh, he tried to get in the side, but he couldn't. Oh, oh. Now, bro. Anyways, alright, I'm gonna try and do my evil laugh. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I am so not that. Also, I am sick, but I'm like feeling a lot better. So like yeah, only just a tiny bit sick. So like yeah. Sure. Let's break some ankles. Ooh. You stop recording. I might stop recording on this too. Yeah, this is part 2. Yeah. Come out, wherever you are. Anyway. Oh, there he is. Wait. Bro, he just went flying, bro. What the hell? Is he hacking or something? Bro, I see. I still hear your hand. Come out, buddy. Ah! I know where you are. I see you, boy. Oh, Bro. Not today. Kids just laughing, bro. Ah! Anyways, bye guys.